It's John the Chipmunk! Howdy! Hey look, garbage can! Sweet! Ow, it's hot! Whatever, I can just sit on one. Ah, how comfortable. It's hot! It's hot! Ow! Oh! Ow! Hot! Hot, hot, hot! Ah, Mommy! Oh, come on, that's nonsense. I can do that perfectly fine. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa. Okay, it's time to stay away from there. Let's go back. What are these for? I have an idea. They're for doing this. Ow, 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 this hurts.
Stop hitting yourself.
Why should I?
Because that's not what they're for.
Oh. Let's forget about this. Come on. I'm going. I caught it. Woo! Oh! Yeah! Woo! Oh! Fish! Hi, I don't want to say this, but I'm bored.